Did you know that bulls actually don't mind the color red? They are just super mad at the matador. Go figure. Did you know that Napoleon Bonaparte was actually considered tall for his time in history? I mean, he was still 5'7". Or Christmas. Did you know Jesus was not born on December 25th? Or that there is nowhere in Scripture that points you to name something you want and claim it as your own, and God will make it happen. So many times we just assume because someone said it, it has to be true. Even in our faith journey, there's things we believe God said that He simply did not. As the church, we must seek out what God says and what that means for our everyday lives. Sometimes we just need to go back to the drawing board.